All right, I just wanted to create a quick video to show you how to make small group meeting rooms in Google Meet. So what you can see here is that I have 3 meetings going on at the same time. All of them are different meeting codes, so they're different meetings. Okay. I would have the students that I wanted to be in each group join the specific meeting that is theirs. So you'd set up nicknames like Teacher 1, Teacher 2, Teacher 3, Teacher 4. Then you can also sign into all of those same rooms. It's going to be really important, however, that you mute your mic in all of them so that when you speak to one of those groups, you aren't speaking to all of them. Okay, unless that's what you want, then you can unmute all your mics and whatever you say would go to all 4 meeting rooms at the same time. Okay, you can leave your camera on. They'll see you there and they'll see you talking, but they won't think you're talking to them because you'll tell them ahead of time, I'll be talking to each of the groups in turn and popping in and out. Okay. There is one trick to this though. Just muting your mic doesn't work. It only works for the people on the other end, your students. You would be hearing right now through your speakers or through your headphones audio from all 3 of these meets currently. Now you may know there's a right click in mute site in Google Chrome. That won't work in this case because mute site mutes any traffic coming from meet.google.com, which would mute all of the sound in all 3 of these. So that's not going to work. However, there is a Google Chrome extension called Mute Tab that I can recommend that you install. I've tested it, it works. I can't speak to the veracity of who offers it and whether they put spyware in it or not, but I haven't noticed anything. I haven't seen anything in any forums. Get good reviews from the 51 people who reviewed it and 50,000 plus users. It puts this little icon up here in the tray. Now, at first, the icon's a little deceiving because it looks like it means that your speakers are off because there's an X next to them. But what it actually means is that when you click on it, it will mute just this tab. So when I click on this, it'll put an M over that symbol, and then the sound from this tab is muted. If I switch over here to this meeting, you'll notice it no longer has the M on it. If I click again, it mutes that tab. So now all I'll be hearing is the group that is sitting in this meeting room, and I can unclick my microphone to talk to this group. When I'm done, I'm going to click the microphone. I'm going to click the tab for muting. I'm going to switch to my next room, and then I'm going to unmute my microphone and unmute my tab to listen to those students and talk to them. So this is the way that you can have as many rooms as you want with students working independently in those rooms while you jump from room to room to monitor those groups and give them advice. Okay, so that's using Google Meet as virtual meeting rooms with the Mute Tab extension. The link to this is in my virtual teachers tools presentation, which is at bit.ly/ShenRemote. Okay, if you Shen Remote Teach, excuse me, Shen Remote Teach. If you go to that presentation,